Hi, I'm Paula, and this is my daughter Kathleen.
Hello.
And today we're going to show you how to do a bun with side Dutch braids. So first we start with the Dutch braids. Okay, a Dutch braid is just the opposite of a regular braid. You still divide it into 3 sections, just like a regular braid, but instead of going over, you go under. So the outer one goes under the middle, okay? And again, the outer goes under the middle strand. And then you grab a little hair with it, with the outer strand, and then go under again. Smoothing it out. Okay, now this side, we'll grab a little hair and go under. Okay, grab some hair from the side and go under the middle strand. Grab hair, go under the middle strand. Kind of smoothing out the tangles as you go. Under. Grabbing hair, go under. Okay, I think we're going to stop there, and that'll be this side braid. Okay, you can kind of see what that looks like. The braid sits on top of the hair rather than being underneath of it. And Kathleen, I'm going to ask you to just hold this braid right there so it doesn't come undone while I do the other side. Okay, you can turn your head a little bit this way. Okay, so again, you take 3 strands at the top. Your side will go under the middle strand. And this side will go under that middle strand. You may find that one side is easier for you to do the others, depending if you're right-handed or left-handed. Probably one side will just be a little bit trickier for you than the other side. So apparently this is my tricky side. Okay, I think we've done far enough on this side. Okay, so now we have a Dutch braid on this side and a Dutch braid on this side. Okay, so then you gather both sides together, and now it's just like you're doing a regular bun. You twist, start wrapping it around. Okay, and for this bun, we're going to use a hair stick. Okay, so you just go up through top part of that bun, flip it, turn and flip and go along the scalp. That's what will secure it to the head, and then come out through the bun, down there. All right. And there you have a braided bun. Well, the bun's not braided, but there are Dutch braids on the side. All right, give it a try and let me know how it turns out.